Hi and welcome again to another chemistry lesson. We're looking at acids and bases, strength and concentration. In the last few videos we have looked at the strength and of acids and bases, and strength was defined by how much they dissociate in water. Okay, so if I dilute it into water and it dissociates completely, it was a strong acid or a strong base. If it dissociates partially, it was weak acids and weak bases. Now I want to look at concentration. Okay, so concentration is simply defined as the ratio of the solute, that is what I am diluting, and solvent. Okay, solvent is what I am diluting into. Now ratio is basically a fraction, so the solute we will use the moles. So concentration is solute, and the solvent we will look at the amount of solvent, okay, and we will look at the volume of the solvent. So this will be in mole and volume will be in decimeters, cubic decimeters, because it's volume. Now 1 cubic decimeter is roughly or almost perfectly equal to 1 liter. Okay, 1 perfect cubic decimeter is 1 liter. In other words, if I am using water and I have 5 moles diluted into 1 liter of water, then my solvent is or my concentration is 5. In other words, I would have 5 moles per liter of water, which is a lot, by the way. That's a very high ratio, so that's not typical, but anyway, so this is what we call now the standard solution is standard. Let's change color again. A standard solution refers to the ratio of solute and solvent being 1:1. In other words, 50% of the solution is solvent and 50% of the solution is solute. Okay, so for every 1 mole of solute, there's 1 mole of solvent. Okay, a concentrated solution, concentrated solution will mean that we have more solute. In other words, something I am dissolving is greater than the solvent. Okay, so for every 1 mole of solvent, so let's say I'm dissolving into water, so if I have a liter of solvent, I have more than a liter of solute. Okay, that would be concentrated. A diluted solution, diluted would just be the opposite. I will have less solute than solvent. Okay, and these are very standard, but okay, what is important as well is that I tell you, just because we have a diluted solution does not mean a weak solution. Does not mean a weak solution. A diluted solution means I've got more more solvent than solute, less of the solute than I have of the solvent. The solute itself can still be a strong solute. For example, if I put hydrochloric acid, so let's say I put 10 cubic decimeters of hydrochloric acid into let's say 20 cubic decimeters of water. Okay, I would still have a strong, this would be a strong diluted solution. Why a strong diluted solution? Because I've got a strong acid, hydrochloric acid. I've got less hydrochloric acid than water, okay, my solvent, so it would be diluted. This would be a strong diluted solution. Okay, so I think this is fairly simple. It's not rocket science. It is acids and bases. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.